Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on Beehivv marketing, a powerful platform for creating and managing email newsletters. So whether you're looking to grow your subscribers, make a decent side hustle, or expand your business, you will notice that Beehivv offers a robust solution for all of your newsletters needs. And before we dive into the details of how you can set up your newsletter, chances are you haven't heard of Beehivv yet, so let's go ahead and discuss what it actually is and why it's become a popular choice for content creators and businesses alike. So Beehivv is a comprehensive newsletter platform that allows you to create, manage, and grow your email newsletters. It's designed for those who have a clear idea of what they want to write about and know their niche well. Some key features of Beehivv include easy-to-use newsletter editor, subscriber management tools, analytics to track your newsletter's performance, monetization options, and integration with various platforms. So now you should have a basic understanding of what Beehivv actually is. Let's move on to setting up your account. And for that, the first step would be to go ahead and visit the Beehivv website. Feel free to click the link in our description box down below for convenience. It will also grant you a 30-day free trial and a 20% off for 3 months after that. After that, you simply want to click on the sign up or the get started button, enter your email address, full name, and create a password, and then verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. After that, you will be prompted to verify your phone number, so you simply enter your phone number and then the code sent to it afterwards. And just like that, you will now have a Beehivv account. To continue setting up your account, you will be prompted to enter your newsletter experience level. So if you are experienced, go ahead and click on the option, otherwise click beginner or curious. You can also choose to skip this small survey that will help them personalize your newsletter setup. Upon completing that survey that will personalize your newsletter, you will actually land on this dashboard that looks like this. And this is essentially your control center for all the things related to your newsletter. We will need to focus on the main sections of this dashboard as they are the most important. So if you look at the writing tab, this is essentially where everything really happens. You will create and edit your newsletter content here. There's also the Grow tab, and this is where you use this section to expand your newsletter's reach and increase your subscriber count. And once your newsletter gains traction, you can explore some monetization options right on this tab right here. And if you want to manage your subscribers, create polls, and analyze your audience demographics, you will have to head to the Audience tab. I recommend taking some time to familiarize yourself with these sections. Click around, read what they say, and really get familiar with the platform to utilize it to the full potential. Once you've got familiar with the dashboard, it's time to create your first newsletter. And the way you do that is that you want to click on the Writing tab in the dashboard, click Start Writing in the top right corner, and then choose a template, or if you want to start from scratch, give your newsletter a catchy title and then start writing your content. Keep in mind that a good newsletter should provide value to your readers. So consider including a mix of original content, curated resources, and personal insights. Additionally, Beehivv offers various customization options to make your newsletter stand out. You will find these options onto the Design tab within the newsletter dashboard. From there, you can choose a color scheme that matches your brand, upload your logo, or choose from Beehivv's icon library and then customize the fonts and text sizes. Also, if you want to add images or other media to make your newsletter visually appealing, this is where you can do that. Once you have your newsletter fully set up and designed properly, you can focus on growing your audience. Again, Beehivv offers several tools to help you attract new subscribers. A personal tip I would give you is that you can create a landing page, as you can use Beehivv's landing page builder to create a dedicated sign-up page for your newsletter. In addition to that, you can add subscription forms to your website or blog to capture new subscribers. I highly recommend leveraging social media for this kind of thing, as you can share snippets of your newsletter content on platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram in order to attract new readers. And lastly, I want to talk about analyzing your newsletter performance. Beehivv provides robust analytics to help you understand how your newsletter is performing. So click on the Analyze section right here and then click on Subscribers Report. And from here, you can see how many subscribers are opening your emails depending on which kind of subscription or membership you have enabled. You can also track which links are getting the most clicks through the click-through rates, subscriber growth metric, as you can monitor how your subscriber count changes over time, and the best performing content, as you can identify which types of content resonate most with your audience. Use these insights to continually refine and improve your newsletter strategy. So now hopefully you have a solid foundation to start your newsletter journey with Beehivv. Remember that building a successful newsletter takes time and consistency, so focus on providing value to your readers. And definitely don't be afraid to experiment with different content types and strategies. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.